DS Master 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm doing darts, and I don't know if I'm really good at them, but I'll try. And look how sharp they are. Okay.
Oh boy, didn't crack the one.
That boom, boom, boom. Gotta get that.
That's a 20.
Anyway.
Please gotta get that boom, boom, boom.
It's a 16.
Gotta get that boom, boom, boom.
And that's another 16. Oh, I rock. Yeah, that's...
You got that boom, boom, boom.
Would you quit singing that song?
$52 points.
Nice.
That's 52 points. Look at it.
Okay, now it's my turn.
You gotta get that boom, boom.
Would you shut off?
Shut up, Anthony.
11.
17.
Oh.
The dart landed right there.
That's a
Okay, do
0
I get to
point.
go again with that one?
Yeah.
That's how good he is.
He got a green bullseye.
Oh!
Not even.
How much is a green bullseye?
25 points. He got 20.
Okay, so what did I get?
Okay, a 25 and a 20.
And
17. 12.
okay. 62 to 52. I win by 10.